Hi, Jackson. Hi,
Hi,
Flynn.
Hi, Jackson.
How are you doing?
We love you.
We're going to read you another story. And this one, let's go to it, is called
The peas and the sneeze.
Beep, 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 beep. This is Louise who's eating some peas. This is the breeze, but will make Louise sneeze. This is the sneeze blowing into the peas. And these are the peas bouncing off through the trees. These are the trees with a circus of fleas. These are the fleas who are bending their knees. These are the knees that are knocking the peas. And these are the peas on a flying trapeze. These are the teas being drunk by the bees. These are the bees with a big wheel of cheese. This is the cheese being pushed by the peas. And these are the peas which are starting to freeze. These are the pleas as the class waits for skis. Please, please let me have a turn. Can I go first? Can I please have some skis? These are the skis being brought by Aziz. This is Aziz being struck by the peas. And these are the peas heading off with the skis. Stop, shouts Aziz, running after the skis. Here come the bees who are chasing their cheese. Some of the fleas are still mending their knees. And poor old Louise would just like some more peas.
Please, please.
The end.
The end. We hope you liked the story. We love you.
I hope you enjoyed it. Love you.
Bye.